Hello guys, it's Vita from Vita's World. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chain. So I made one the other video, like that. And it also could be a keychain or whatever. So I hope you guys like this video. And let's have a shout out to Pierre and someone else will say his last name.
Hadari.
So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chain. First you need beads, scissors, and some string. So it doesn't matter what color, but I just have some pink. You will need scissors to cut, and the beads you can just add any color, so I just got a whole box. So first you want to find the end of the thing, of the string. And then you just want to cut as soft as you can, like this. And then you're just going to grab the end, thread it through. So you got this knot, so the beads don't fall. And then, if you want, you could just pull the string out. That's what I like to do, because it always does that. Then you're just going to want to do that. Cut it. Okay, that's okay if there's some left. But it doesn't have to be perfect, it can just be perfect. Then there could be some hanging out, but I'm just doing just a rounded one. Just like this. As you know, that's my dog, because we have a dog and she's kind of cuckoo. So let's get back onto this. So what I like to do to make it curly, I like to pull it. I like to snip it. So that's the best part. Now it's curly, as you can see. That's the best part. Then you just want to twist that fur. Then you just want to thread it all the way there. Then you could just twirl it, twist it for the beads can go through. As you know, this is a good thing. And you won't run out of it for you to have to go buy more string. This is the good kind of string. So I hope you guys like this video. And yours will end up like this. And I give this to 10,000 likes, guys. Bye.